This time we're going to be calculating whole numbers multiplied by mixed numbers. And we're going to use the method of partitioning. So I'm going to partition this mixed number into a whole number and a fraction in order to calculate it. Therefore, my first calculation I'll carry out is the whole number 2 multiplied by the whole number 1, which gives me the answer 2, as we can all do. The next one, I'm going to take the 3/4 from this mixed number and multiply that by 2. So I have 2 multiplied by 3/4. And like the previous video, I'm going to multiply the whole number by the numerator only, because I've got 2 lots of 3/4. Quarters being the size of the piece, 3 being how many. So I've got 2 lots of 3 pieces that are the same size. So 2 times 3 is 6, and they're all the size of a quarter. So I've got 6/4. Now that's a improper fraction, so I've got to make sure that I put that into a mixed number as well. So I have got 6/4, which is exactly the same as 1 and 2/4. Let's look back at what I have up here and recombine. So I've got 2 and I've got 1 and 2/4. So here I have my calculation as we've just discovered, 2 and 1 and 2/4. So I've got 3 wholes there and I've got 2/4. You can leave that as the answer. However, we should have spotted that 2/4 is the same as a half. So therefore, simplifying it becomes more accurate. And that's that. Take a look at these two calculations and you have a go at solving them in the same way. So partition the mixed number before you multiply. So 2 multiplied by 1 first, and then 2 lots of a third, and recombine. For the first calculation then you should have done 2 multiplied by 1, which gives you 2 wholes, 2 lots of 1/3, which is 2/3. And that's my final answer there. The bottom question, concentrating on the whole numbers first, 3 times 2, which gives me 6. Then I've got 3 lots of 2/5, which will give me 6/5. I should realise that 6/5 is greater than 1. So that's actually the same here as 1 and 1/5. So to change that, I will actually have 7 and 1/5 as my final answer.